the kiss was so magical. Since then, I knew that we were meant for each other.
O tapos, did he go down on his knees? And then, did he ask for a second chance na?
No. Hindi na niya nagawa yun because ang daming dumating na tao.
Ayun na yun? Why not? Wala nangyari eh.
Well, mag-uusap kami mamaya. We're gonna talk about our relationship. Hopefully, maayos.
Okay, paano ganito? What if he goes down on his knees and makes sure and asks you na ito na, he wants you back? What can happen?
I think you know the answer to that.
Oh, sige, Franco. Yeah, we'll talk about it pag nagkita na tayo. We'll talk about it in detail. Alright? Ingat. Chloe, could you please get off the desk?
Relax.
Pumasok. Baka kung ano isipin eh.
So anyways, your mom told me about the Chamber of Commerce event. And I just wanted to know what you'd be wearing para makapili ako ng suitable gown to match it.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I'm bringing someone else.
Really? And may I ask who the lucky girl is?
Diana. Si Diana dadaling ko ba?
Why her? I mean, is this still part of your whole scheme na pabagsakin ng legacy? Maybe everything I'm hearing is true na pinupursue mong babaeng yun.
You listen to rumors now? Chloe, lahat ng ginagawa ko may kinalaman sa pagpapabagsak ko sa legacy sa mga Alcantara. Wala ko ibang agenda kay Diana.
Mavic, yung report mo kung pwedeng matapos mo na yun and then tomorrow bigay mo na sa akin. And then Evans, Lisa, yung AVP, sana matapos nyo na para ma-approve ko na agad. Okay?
Okay po.
Sige,
We'll do our best po.
Sige. Salamat.
Thank you.
Kaya siguro pag-isipan mo na muna. Kung may sagot ka na, alam mo na kung saan ako matatagpuan.
Sabihin mo nga sa akin, ano ba dapat kong gawin, ha? Nalilito na ako.
You know what you need to do, pare. Just choose.
Bakit naman kasi ganun eh? Kung kailan ako nagsisimula na mag-explore sa nararamdaman ko para kay Diana, biglang susulpot ulit si Natasha nakikipag-ayos sa akin. Hindi ko na alam kung sino pipiliin ko sa kanila.
Sabi mo, nade-develop ka na kay Diana. Pero the mere fact na nalilito ka, ibig sabihin, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on kay Natasha. Pare, mahal mo pa ang ex mo.
One thing's for sure though, man. I'm screwed. I'm in love with two women.
Tama ka dyan. Kaya ako sa'yo, mas pipiliin ko kung sino ang nagmamahal sa'yo. Because you can't have them both.
Paano bahala dito? I have to go.
Saan ka pupunta?
May usapan kami ni Natasha ngayon.
So si Natasha na ang pinili mo.
Makikipagkita ka na naman kay Josh. Natasha, wag mo nang ituloy ang binabalak mo.
Who gave you the right to tell me what to do?
Natasha, sinasaktan ka lang ni Josh. Lulukuhin ka lang niya ulit. Natasha, akin ka na lang. Hindi kita lulukuhin.
You're way out of line, okay?
Kapag tinuloy mo ang pagpunta mo kay Josh, ilalantad ko lahat ng sikreto mo.
Anong pinagsasasabi mo?
Alam ko na kung sino ang matunay mong